Today I'm going to show you how to extract audio from a video using the VN Video Editor app. It's a straightforward process, so let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the VN Video Editor app installed on your device. Now let's import the video from which you want to extract the audio. Tap on New Project button. Browse through your media library and select the video file you want to use. Tap Add to import it to the project. Now, once your video is imported, follow these steps to extract the audio. Tap on the video clip. Now look for the audio app option at the bottom. Now if you can't find it, here as you can see, the option for extract audio, tap on it. The app will process the extraction and you'll see the audio track appear below the or above the video clip in the timeline. Now that you've extracted the audio, let's save it. Select the audio track that just have been created. Tap on the export button. Here you can find the share button. Now you can save the audio file to your device. You may have option to choose the audio format. Select your preferred format and quality, and that's it. You successfully extracted audio from a video using the VN Video Editor app.